Google Chrome. So what is it? Google Chrome is a free internet browser created by Google. It is used to visit online sites. With more than 60% of the web browser market share as of May 2020, it is the most used web browser worldwide. Google Chrome is a cross-platform browser, which means it has versions for many desktops, mobile devices, and operating systems. Google Chrome for Android is the most popular version, according to Statista, with over 32% of the worldwide web browser market share in February 2020. Using Google Chrome is as simple as using your existing computer's default web browser, such as Internet Explorer, Edge, or Safari. To view a website, just input the web address URL into the address box at the top of the screen and press Enter. Go, search. Google Chrome, like other web browsers, has basic browser capabilities such as a back, forward, refresh, history, bookmarks, toolbar, and settings. Chrome, like other browsers, has an incognito mode that allows you to surf anonymously without your history, cookies, or site data being recorded. It also comes with a large plugin and extension library. Features of Google Chrome. 1. It's quick, safe, and simple to use. The sheer performance of Google Chrome is maybe its most compelling feature. Even when surfing through a large number of sites with heavy graphics, advertisements, or video content, web pages can open and load swiftly. Even for beginners, the interface is sleek and straightforward to use, and updates are sent out often and automatically to keep security up to date. 2. You may search Google using the address bar. Do you need to look for something? Simply create a new window or tab and start typing in the address bar anything you're looking for. Then press Enter, Go, Search, and you'll be sent to the Google search results page for that query. 3. Chrome settings may be synced between devices. You can sync all of your bookmarks, history, passwords, autofills, and more when you use Chrome with your Google account. This means that your settings will be consistent and up to date whenever you use Chrome on another computer or device using your Google account. 4. Getting the most out of Google Chrome extensions. Many of your favorite web services, such as Dropbox and Evernote, as well as Pocket and Pinterest, have Google Chrome extensions. The Chrome Web Store allows you to search for and download them. 5. Where can I get Chrome? You can download and use Google Chrome for free, but you'll need to utilize an existing web browser to do so. To download Chrome, go to google.com/Chrome and click the Download Chrome button.